Do you want to receive an OTP without sharing your personal phone number? Then you are on the right video. I will show you all the steps, but first of all you need to do subscribe and hit the bell icon. I have already downloaded this application which name is SMS Activate. SMS Activate is a virtual number service application that provides temporary or virtual phone numbers for receiving SMS verification codes. This app is commonly used for account verifications, app testing, and maintaining online privacy. Users select a country and service received a temporary number, and any OTP sent to that number appears inside the app like in the inbox section. Okay, always use such services that responsibly and follow the rules of the platform you are signing up for. So I hope in the short video you get all the info about SMS Activate app. So if our short video has helped you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful app tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.